Imagine a kitchen where your fridge orders groceries for you, your oven cooks with perfect precision, and your meal is ready before you even walk through the door. What if cooking in 2050 is nothing like we know today? What if your next meal could be prepared by an AI chef who knows your preferences better than you do? In this video, we're diving into how cutting-edge technology is set to revolutionize our everyday meals. From smart appliances to AI-driven recipes, the kitchen of the future is nothing short of amazing. Get ready to explore incredible innovations that will make cooking faster, easier, and way more fun. Plus, we'll give you a sneak peek at some jaw-dropping gadgets that could change the way you think about meals forever. Think about the typical cooking experience today. You plan out meals, chop vegetables, stand over a hot stove, wait, clean up afterward. It's time-consuming and sometimes feels like a chore. And let's be real, not every meal turns out like the recipe promised. Time-consuming. Preparing meals from scratch can take hours between chopping, cooking, and cleaning. Skill and consistency. Cooking can be tricky. Getting a perfect result every time, that's hard to achieve. And it can be frustrating when things don't go as planned. Waste. Have you ever noticed how much food goes to waste just from leftovers or ingredients that don't get used up? But in 2050, imagine a world where these everyday hassles are completely reimagined, where advanced tech has transformed cooking into something quick, effortless, and even more exciting. Now, let's dive into the tech magic of 2050 that's transformed cooking from a time-consuming task to a seamless experience. Imagine an AI-driven kitchen assistant that not only selects your meal, but customizes it to your health needs and taste preferences. This assistant scans your body in real time, sensing nutrient needs and even your mood, then suggests the perfect dish. Smart ingredients. Dispenser. Picture a sleek dispenser that precisely measures, blends, and heats ingredients. Gone are the days of chopping and mixing. This gadget knows the exact amount for each part of the recipe and adjusts portions instantly. Personalized flavor profiles. Want a little extra flavor? With nanotech, you can adjust spice levels, sweetness, or even texture at the touch of a button. It's like a flavor palette at your fingertips. Cooking by laser precision. No more undercooked or burnt food. Laser cooking tech evenly heats each ingredient, ensuring perfection down to the molecular level. Think of it as food science meeting taste perfection. Interactive visual experience. Through your smart glasses or kitchen screen, you can watch the entire process unfold in real time. It's both efficient and mesmerizing. Cooking reimagined for an age where time and health are precious. This high-tech setup means cooking isn't just a routine. It's an experience that's efficient, personalized, and healthier. It's the ultimate futuristic twist to a daily task. Meet Emma. Like many of us, she has a busy day-to-day routine, juggling work, family, and a bit of time for herself. But in 2050, even cooking has become a breeze, all thanks to her smart kitchen. Emma doesn't even need to think about meal planning. Her kitchen has already scanned her health metrics for the day, knows her mood, and suggests a meal perfectly tailored to her needs. Let's go with the Mediterranean bowl tonight. With just a voice command, Emma sets the kitchen into motion. Robotic arms glide gracefully, gathering ingredients from smart storage units, each portion pre-measured to perfection. And the best part? Each step of the cooking process is monitored by AI, adjusting temperatures, cooking times, and even seasoning levels, all personalized to Emma's taste. Imagine coming home, choosing what you're in the mood for, and just relaxing while your kitchen does all the work. No chopping, no cleaning, just pure convenience. Now, what if you could adjust flavors based on your mood? Spicy for a bit of energy, or maybe something savory for a cozy night. Finally, the meal is ready, with no fuss, no mess, and exactly how she likes it. In 2050, cooking isn't just easier, it's an experience crafted entirely around you. But here's the twist. In 2050, your meals can be custom-made based on your mood. Imagine a stressful day, and your smart kitchen whips up something soothing, packed with ingredients scientifically proven to boost your mood. Or if you're ready to celebrate, it picks flavors that feel like a party. Did you know? By 2050, food printers could create over 1,000 unique flavors tailored to your preferences. Imagine tasting strawberry pasta or chocolate-flavored kale. It might sound strange, but the tech makes it work. And get this, there's even talk of a joke mode in smart ovens. Burned toast. No more. Your oven could crack a joke about your cooking skills or give you friendly reminders like, hey, maybe skip the salt next time, keeping you laughing while keeping things delicious. So, what do you think? With technology like this, cooking in 2050 isn't just a chore, it's an experience. But if you think that's mind-blowing, wait until you see how we might be doing laundry. Imagine clothes that clean themselves while you wear them. Curious? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because next time we're diving into the future of laundry, one task at a time.